Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use more developed parts of if statements. Now with if statements, as with any part of programming, have so many uses. I particularly like if statements. They can be easily incorporated into functions. They can have so many possibilities. You can use inputs. You can have just general control over the program that you want to build. So in the last video I showed you two program examples where I showed you the most basic one. Then again, I showed you how to use multiple conditions using elif. And in this instant, I'm going to show you how to use inputs and multiple conditions in one statement. So by the end, you should be able to make a program that can be used in an interface or something along those lines, which I also have to do for part of my coursework. So this is actually very useful. So on the first line, we've got number equals int input, enter your age please. Again, I'm just going to do a quick recap. Number is the name of the variable. Again, just for ease of use. Int input, because it has to be an integer. Obviously, your age isn't a word. If number is bigger than 100, so let's say the person enters the number bigger than 100, print you are unusually old. If the number is less than 1 but less than 10 as well, you're a bit young to be using the internet. Elif number is bigger than 10 but less than 100, print cool, because between 10 and 100 is somewhat normal age. Elif number equals 15, print same age as me. So all these are based on whatever the user's age is. So this could be in any sort of application, like in an age verification thing. Like, for example, you want to create a YouTube account. If someone puts birthday 2007, you're too young to create a YouTube account. If it's bigger, whatever, you're allowed to create one. So elif number less than 1, bigger than 10, blah, blah, blah. You can just look at these for yourself. So let's run the program. Actually, I need to go up here. Run if statements 3. So enter your age please. I'm going to try this with different scenarios. So 100 and 5, 104. Cool. So elif number less than 10. Okay, I got some of my these things mixed up. I got some of my symbols mixed up. So we just rerun the program. Enter your age please. Let's say 104 again and see what it says. Yeah, you are unusually old. Just be careful. As you can see firsthand, all this code isn't perfect when I make videos. So there are always going to be errors. It might not even be an error that shows up because technically the code is correct, but what you want it to do is rather different. So it can be kind of messed up. So you are unusually old. Let's check this for all the conditions we want. So let's say 7. These are the kinds of tests you'll have to do if you want to make sure your program actually works. So let's say 7 doesn't print anything. How do we make sure it's between 1 and 10? If number's less than 1, okay, we need it to be bigger than 1 and less than 10. I got them switched up the wrong way again, as you can see. So we'll run this program. Let's say 7. You're a bit too young to be using the internet. Well, nowadays it's probably normal, but still. Some of you might have the question, what if the user doesn't enter a number? So we could do if number not equal to int. I hope this works. Print enter a digit please. So let's just, does it matter if we indent this? Okay, no, we shouldn't. Okay, that's fine. So we'll run it. Enter your age please. Let's say F. Oh, okay. So we actually don't need this code because it says this error. So invalid literal for int with base 10 t. So base 10 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So yeah, if it doesn't work, you don't need this error. You might find a way to print it without having to show this error, but instead it prints the text. There are a lot of ways around it, But overall, all you need to do is use these, find a way around using many cases at once. That could be for applying to this elif and this elif. Which one do you go for? Cool, or same as me, or whatever one. If you're the same as me, choose a different one.